World Under-20 100-meter silver medalists Buwaje and Nkrumah of Kingston College and Serena Cole of Edwin Allen High secured victories in record-breaking style at the Youngster Goldsmith Classic at the National Stadium on Saturday. Nkrumah, in his first race for the season, sped to a meet record 10.30 seconds to win the Class 1 boys 100 meters. The national junior record holder, who erased the previous meet record of 10.52 set in 2019, reflected on his season opener.
It's wonderful. I have to be grateful because I've never run that fast for a season opener. It was expected, but I'm very grateful for that run.
Teammate Emmanuel Rotomea was second overall after winning his heat in 10.57. Meanwhile, Cole sped to a record 11.57 to win the Class 1 girls 100 meters. She raced the previous meet record of 11.76 set by Okera Mary of Petersfield in 2019. William Nibbs' Lavania Williams was also impressive on the day as she sped to 11.76 to win the Class 2 girls 100 meters. She won her heat ahead of Edwin Allen's Junie Armstrong, who clocked 12.19 for fourth overall. Sabrina Dockery of Lacovia High was second overall after winning her heat in 11.78. We're going to head into